Wow, this puff puff is so yummy, so yellowish, so beautiful. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious yellow puff puff. Let's get started. To make this, I'm using 5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use less or more. You can increase your own recipe or reduce it. And I'll be using 3/4 cup of sugar. Like I always say, use less or more. And I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. If you're not using instant yeast, you can add it in water with some sugar, cover it and allow it to activate first before you use it. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. You can also use liquid milk if you want to, or if you have that, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. This puff puff is going to be full of flavors. I'll stir it together before we come in with the star of the day. And here comes the star of the day. Ta-da! I'm using turmeric powder. This turmeric is what is going to give it that yellowish color and beautiful color. So I'm using here half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. After mixing all the dry ingredients together, I'll then go in with water. I'm using lukewarm. Half cups of water here, and this is the consistency I want. I want a chewy puff puff. If you want it lighter than this, you can add more water, but for me this is okay because we're going to allow it to rest, and by the time it stays for about 40 to 60 minutes, it's going to get lighter than this. So I'll cover it and allow it to rest for about 45 to 60 minutes. And here we have it. This is after about 40 minutes. It didn't even get up to 1 hour. This is after about 40 minutes, and our puff puff has doubled or tripled in size. This one over tripled. Is overflowing. I'll just mix it again just to remove the air or bubbles in it, to bring it back, press it down again. Demonstrate to you how I'm going to be molding or dropping it into the oil. I dipped my hand in water just to get my hand weight. You can also rub oil in your hand to get your hand weight or oily so that the batter can come Already heating up some oil here to make our puff puff. You can see that the oil is hot enough with that skewer I dropped in there bubbling. So I'll start dropping in the dough to make our puff puff. Before dropping in the dough into the oil, I reduced my heat so that the puff puff will not get burnt without frying or without cooking inside. And then I'll continue to flip it around until they all get fried both sides and I get that first batch of the puff puff is ready. I'll take it out from the oil, drop them into my sieve or basket, and continue to fry the rest of the puff puff or dough. I don't know what to call it. And the second batch is also ready, but if you want it brownier and crunchier, then leave it for more time to get this brownish. It makes it more crunchy. After taking this out, we'll continue to fry until I finish. Or remember, we're making 5 cups of all-purpose flour here, so it was much, but I'm not going to show you all. So let me just show you the end result. Delicious and very tasty turmeric or yellow puff puff. Look at the beautiful color, and it tasted as beautiful as it looks here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share to your friends and families. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.